Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. And how are you all? I'm back with new topic related to UPSC. So let's know about syllabus of UPSC CSE Prelims. Let's get started. I think whatever now I'm going to tell you all, you should write in a paper and you should stick to the wall, because it's very important to know the syllabus entire the preparation of UPSC CSE, because by seeing that syllabus only you will be able to prepare for prelims. So you should stick to the wall. Let's start with general studies paper 1. In GS paper 1, current events of national and international importance. Point 2 is history of India and Indian national movement. Please listen carefully whatever I'm telling. There are many topics in one subject, so you have to definitely write in on paper. It's very important. Point 3 is Indian and world geography, physical, social, economic geography of India and the world. This is point number 3. And point number 4 is Indian polity and governance, constitution, political system, panchayat raj, public policy, right issues, etc. This is point number 4. And point number 5 is economic and social development, sustainable development, poverty, inclusion, demographics, social sector initiatives, etc. This is point number 5. And point number 6 is general issues on environmental ecology, biodiversity and climate change that do not require subject specialization. And general science. General science is also very important. These are the important topics of prelims GS1. This is very important, and these topics are very important. First of all, you have to stick to the wall before starting the preparation. And of course, before starting the preparation, first of all you have to learn the syllabus, because it's very vast, and without knowing the syllabus you can't start your preparation. So you have to stick to the wall. And now let's move on to GS paper 2, which is CSAT. In CSAT, topic number 1 is comprehension. Comprehension is very important. Second topic is interpersonal skills and communication skills. This is the second topic. And third topic is logical reasoning and analytical ability. Fourth topic is decision making and problem solving. Fifth topic is general mental ability. Sixth topic is basic numeracy, numbers and their relations, orders of magnitude, etc. You have to study this of class 10th level. And data interpretation, charts, graphs, tables, data sufficiency, etc. This is also from class 10th standard. You have to study these topics, which are very important. Seventh topic is English language comprehension skills of class 10th standard. So guys, these are the important topics of GS paper 1 and paper 2. Before starting the preparation, you have to first learn the syllabus, then you will be able to start the preparation, because without knowing the syllabus you will not be able to do that. So it is my suggestion. In fact, every topper of UPSC tells this only, that you have to stick to the wall first of all before the preparation, and I also suggest you that only. So if you like today's video, please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Bye.